Hello, lovely people. I know you're looking forward to what this day promises. It is Apple's WWDC, Worldwide Developers Conference 2021. It is company's annual event where it launches new softwares and technology. And just like previous year, Apple decided to conduct it virtually because thanks to coronavirus, it has left the world crippled. And now we will take some time to get back to the normal. So you can catch the event live on YouTube. It starts at 10:30 p.m. onwards. Now, we know there are a lot of nosy heads around who cannot wait for the event to start or for what Apple will reveal. So this is the video where we are going to tell you what you can actually expect from the company at the event tonight at WWDC 2021. You are watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain. But before I start talking about WWDC, please take a moment and subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload new content. Let's begin. The next operating system for the iPhone is going to be one major and important announcement at the event tonight. After all, these updates make sure that the older iPhone models also look new and equally competitive with the new phones launching in the market. Apple is expected to bring major changes to the phone's lock screen as well as notification system. There are also changes expected for the iMessages. The company can bring some privacy-focused menu with the iOS 15 as well. Some of the changes that we are expecting in the iOS 15 can also be offered in the new version of iPadOS for tablet users. Majorly, it is expected that the new version of iPadOS will get a widgets revamp. Also, I want to share one thing with you all, that all the announcements that the company will make tonight will just be announced for now. The public version of these updated softwares will be available later this year. Yes, the event will majorly revolve around software updates. So the next thing we can expect is an updated version of the macOS with which the company can bring a compatibility between macOS and iPadOS. Moving on, for the fitness freaks who prefer wearing Apple Watches, the company can enhance their experience by launching an updated version of watchOS. Yes, the new and updated version of watchOS can bring sleep tracking features as well. Last year, Apple announced M1 chipset, which is company's first ever custom designed system on chip for MacBooks. Now, several reports doing rounds on the internet suggest that Apple is working on a new Apple Silicon for the upcoming MacBooks. This new chipset is reportedly called M1X or M2. So we are hoping that the company will spell out some information on the new Apple Silicon, but that will be confirmed at the tonight event. So do not miss out on the event or stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the same. Let's move on to the next thing we are expecting Apple to launch. If the company reveals the new chipset, then probably a new MacBook as well. There are plenty of rumors doing rounds on the internet again that suggest that Apple can announce new MacBooks at WWDC 2021. The new MacBook is expected to arrive with new design aesthetics. Recent renders suggest that the laptop will miss out on the iconic touch bar and will include plenty of port options. So these are the things that we think company can announce at tonight's event. We will anyway get the confirmations once the event kicks off. For now, you can like and share this video and also comment and tell us what you think Apple will bring for its users at the event tonight. Thank you for watching.